Well, if we talk about the U-turn that has been taken by Sudhir Gupta, then this is something which is leaving everybody, or like everybody is having the bigger question in their mind, that what exactly is the reason of this particular U-turn? Because now this is the lawyer of the family, who is coming out and asking it again that the new team should be constituted. Let me remind you that from the day one, if we talk about the investigation in this particular case, then we do understand that being it about the forensic report from the Cooper Hospital, this is under the radar. This is being questioned, and that's why the AIIMS was involved. That's why the CBI team was involved. And after doing the investigation, yes, this was sent to the AIIMS. Earlier, this exactly is the same man, Dr. Sudhir Gupta is the same man who was having the different view. So what exactly has happened? Why there is change in the theory? This is something which is a question in everybody's mind. On the other hand, let me tell you that the investigation, if we talk about, is not over yet. Investigation, when we are talking about, CBI coming out with a statement making it very much clear, and they're not denying the murder angle. So that's something which is again raising the question on the U-turn of Sudhir Gupta. And there we are understanding and we are seeing how the lawyer of the family and the family itself is worried about the same, that what exactly is the conspiracy behind it, what exactly is the pressure on Sudhir Gupta that he has changed his statement. Because we have shown, while he was talking to our senior editor Prakash, there he made it very much clear that what exactly are the lapses and what exactly are the questions that is being raised after seeing the report which was given by the Cooper Hospital. So that's something which is now being questionable. And if we talk about the investigation, then yes, this is very much true that the investigation till yet is not over. CBI is working on the same.
So we have the August 22nd tapes, Anuj, which clearly indicate how Dr. Sudhir Gupta casted doubt over Mumbai police investigation, did not believe the Cooper Hospital autopsy report, raised several questions at that point in time. And now we have Vikas Singh coming out and saying Dr. Sudhir Gupta himself called him up and said this is 200% case of strangulation. Let's play out those sensational revelations that were made by the family lawyer yesterday. First up.
There was a lot of talk between us, and even before the matter was referred by the CBI to him, he was in touch with me, and he was all the time questioning the way in which Cooper Hospital has functioned in this matter. And when I sent him these photographs which were taken by the sister of Sushant Singh Rajput, he immediately commented that it is death, it is by strangulation, and it cannot be said to be death by hanging. Now, if a person who can make such a casual comment, I am not saying that that casual comment was correct, but if he can make such a casual comment and later on completely upturn it, completely go in a different direction. डॉक्टर सुधीर गुप्ता ने ही मेरे को बहुत पहले कहा था, ये एक्चुअली मेरे पास आए थे 1 साल पहले, हमारे बड़े अच्छे दोस्त अमरेंद्र शरण की डेथ हुई थी और सीनियर एडवोकेट थे, सीनियर एनसीपी लीडर भी थे अमरेंद्र जी, और इनका केस ये करते थे और इनके अमरेंद्र शरण की वजह से ये आज इस कुर्सी पे बने हुए हैं। तो जब उनकी देहांत हुई तो मेरे पास आए, कहे कि अब आप अमरेंद्र शरण आपकी बड़ी इज्जत करते थे, आगे से आप मेरा केस करेंगे। तो इस तरह से हमारे साथ वो बात करते थे, हमेशा डिस्कस करते थे इस केस को, बड़े डिटेल में डिस्कस किया उन्होंने मेरे से। और जब मैंने उनको फोटोग्राफ भेजा तो फोटोग्राफ देख करके स्ट्रेट अवे कहना कि 200% ये स्ट्रैंगुलेशन का केस है और इसमें कोई कह ही नहीं सकता कि ये सुसाइड का केस है। तो कोई इतना सीनियर डॉक्टर एक फोटोग्राफ देख के अगर इस तरह का इररिस्पॉन्सिबल स्टेटमेंट अगर कर रहा है, तो इसी से पता चलता है कि इस तरह के रिपोर्ट की क्या अहमियत हो सकती है। अगर ऐसी उनको रिपोर्ट, अगर उनके हिसाब से ऐसी रिपोर्ट बन सकती थी, तो इस तरह से उनको लूज कमेंट 200% स्ट्रैंगुलेशन का केस बोलने का कोई हक नहीं था। मेरा ये मानना है कि एम्स के पास सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की बॉडी नहीं थी,